I greet you all friends in the name of Shembi the Almighty, and welcome back to our channel dedicated to deepening our spiritual understanding. Today, we have a profound topic to discuss: the significance of praying 4 times a day as a Nazarite. As followers of the Nazarite vow, it's essential to recognize the commitment to a life of devotion and holiness. One of the key aspects of this commitment is the practice of praying 4 times a day. But why is this so crucial? Praying 4 times a day allows us to maintain a continuous connection with the divine. It's a way to stay grounded in our faith and to seek guidance throughout the day. Let's break it down. The 4 prayer times are the midnight prayer exactly at 12 a.m., morning prayer at 4 a.m., another morning prayer at 9 a.m., and evening prayer at 18 p.m. Each of these moments offers a unique opportunity to connect with God. In the midnight prayer, we pray to God to protect this faith, keep us in unity, make Nazarite religion grow, and keep the enemies of this faith far from us. In the morning prayer at 4 a.m., we express gratitude for the new day and seek strength for the challenges ahead. We pray for all our struggles we are experiencing, our families, friends, and our ancestors. We pray that Lord Shembi grant them light and forgive those sinners on their way to the promised home that shines above sun and moon. The morning prayer at 9 a.m. is another special one because the prophet and messenger of Shembi mentioned that wherever he will be in the other world, if we pray at the time his heart stops, which was 9 a.m. the 2nd of May 1935, he will remember us and hear our prayers. Lastly, the evening prayer at 18 p.m. The evening prayer allows us to reflect on our actions and seek forgiveness. It is also a peaceful moment to surrender ourselves to God before we sleep. Praying 4 times a day as a Nazarite helps us maintain a mindful and purposeful life. It keeps us in alignment with our spiritual goals and reminds us of our commitment to holiness. As we journey on this path of devotion and consecration, let's remember the profound significance of praying 4 times a day. It's not just a ritual, it's a way to cultivate a deep and lasting relationship with the divine. So if you are not praying 4 times a day, as instructed by the Almighty, what is stopping you? Are you too busy for only 20 minutes for prayer? Stay tuned and do your daily prayers in the name of Shembi.